I done gave you all my love, how you gonna fuck it up, yeah. All the trust that I get, how you gonna throw it out, yeah. I give you all of my love, yeah, all of my heart, yeah, all of my time, yeah. And then you fucking it up, yeah, hurting my heart, yeah, making me numb, yeah. Girl, you got me tripping, girl, you got me hurting. All my feelings missing, wish you never did it. You got me falling in love, yeah, looking so dumb, yeah. I could've fought for your love, yeah, fought for your trap, yeah. Every day you got me reminiscing about love, yeah. I be drowning in this pain, yeah, drowning in this pain, yeah. I got this pain in my heart that I can't take away.
It's Boogie.
In my heart make it hard to love again.
I know you got your own problems, but you never even solve it. You never playing conceded, you always playing these games. It ain't a game. I'm telling you, my love is not for shame. I gotta deal with all your problems, but I never even been about it. And I'm just telling you, you should be ashamed. Through all the hardship and the bullshit that you always false claim. Bitch, you a game, but remember all the times when we were serious. I'm missing the, oh, you please come back so we can just deal with this.
Pain in my heart that I can't take away. In these wounds in my heart make it hard to love again. I got this pain in my heart that I can't take away. In these wounds in my heart make it hard to love again.
See, I don't understand why these complications be something that you recommend. You're a devil, a fool rapper, I'ma take a stand. I'ma walk, no time to talk, I'll be grinding on my own, no time to waste my time, I'm falling in love.